Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Philadelphia Freedom on guitar. Let's begin by mastering the core chords for this iconic song. You'll primarily use G major, C major, and D major. Practice transitioning smoothly between them, aiming for a clean sound. A simple down-up strumming pattern will help establish a solid, consistent rhythm. Focus on clarity and precision as you build your foundation. Now let's tackle the verse progression, which features G, a 7, a minor 7, G, and C over D. Pay close attention to the quick transition from a minor 7 back to G. It happens quite fast. Keep your strumming consistent, maintaining a steady, driving rhythm. Emphasize the downbeat slightly to give it that characteristic feel. Practice these changes until they feel natural and fluid. Moving into the chorus, you'll play C, G, F, E7, and a minor 7. This is where the song really opens up, so introduce a slightly stronger strumming pattern. Experiment with dynamics, making the chorus feel bigger and more impactful than the verse. Pay special attention to making your F major chord ring out clearly. Practice these sections to build confidence and musicality. For the bridge, you'll encounter G minor 6, a minor 7, and G. The outro often repeats the chorus chords, gradually fading out. Remember to practice slowly at first, focusing on accuracy before increasing your tempo. Listening to the original recording will help you capture the song's unique feel and precise timing. Consistent practice is key to mastering this fantastic tune.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.